What is good, everybody? Back with another video. Got this new light here. Hopefully it makes it a little bit better looking. Not really sure if I like it yet. Really makes me look kind of pale, which I am a little bit, but I look like Casper. Anyways, moving on. So just wanted to give you an update on my stock portfolio. If we load up Robinhood here for a second. So I've added a little bit more money since the last video I made, quite a bit more. I'm up to $1,341 here. You can see right in the home page and 18 cents. If you take a look at it, didn't really go up any today, after hours, whatever. But if you take a look here, in the last 3 months, I'm up 3.92% for $50.64. So not too bad, just starting out. Not too bad at all. But I want to give you an update on kind of what my new strategy is and kind of where I'm moving forwards at this point. So I was watching one of those coffee hours with Graham Stephan and Jack, I think is the channel. Maybe Jack and Graham Stephan the other way around. Anyways, you guys probably have seen it if you're into financial stuff. Um, so basically, he was had a guest viewer, which was, I think, like Financial Jeremy or something. I can't remember too much, but it was like just posted, and he was saying how he only invests in a few companies, and so Kevin O'Leary was on the show, was on Graham Stephan's channel talking about how he recommends like being super diversified, having no company more than like 5% in your portfolio, I believe it was. And so I was thinking about that, and that's kind of where I was heading towards when I was investing. There was so many companies I wanted to have a piece in, and so what ended up is there was so many great companies that I liked and that I thought were gonna be good. But the thing is I was only putting in like $50 here, $100 here, $20 here, $30 here. So what I had was, I think I had like 12 companies with a couple bucks in each one. And so my returns were like nothing. Some of those I was up 15% on, but I only had $28 in there. And so I didn't make any like money at all off of it. And so yeah, I'm not going for the short term, but long term, moving forward, I decided to sell off a bunch of those today and kind of condense my portfolio. So if we take a look here, my portfolio, I kept my AT&T shares. I have 3.31 shares for market value of $91. I bought these at $28 a piece. They're cheaper now. Maybe pick up a few more. I'm not sure yet. But these are for the dividends of, I'm just keeping these for the dividends, which is 7.31. And I'm expecting a dividend payment of $1.72 on November 2nd. So that's kind of why I kept it. Moving forward, I got Coke. I got 2 shares in Coke for market value of $100.45. I'm keeping these because of the dividends as well, 3.21. It's kind of a long-term hold. Coke's not going anywhere anytime soon. They're a huge beverage company, so just gonna keep those. Kind of, why not? Excuse me. Next up today, I bought some Apple. I only had, I think, like $50 in Apple, and yeah, I know I kind of missed the curve. Yesterday was the main growth day. Today went down all day, but I still bought in. Again, long term, I don't think in 25, 30 years even that the Apple is still going to be at this price. I don't think Apple's going anywhere, so I went ahead and purchased some Apple shares today. So I have 2.49 shares, adding about 2 shares today, for a market value of $300, $302. And you can see my total return is 0.01. I'm down. So I'm basically broke even at this point. So not too bad. And that also has a 0.68 dividend. So nice little bonus there. But really hoping to see this one long term just kind of rise up. Moving on, Amazon is one that I need to get into a little bit better. If you take a look here, I have 0.008 shares. I only have $28 in the market. This is kind of what I was talking about with the fractional shares. I have a bunch of companies with a little bit of money in them. So if you look, I bought this at $3,009. It's up to $3,453. That's a 14.74% return. Now, if I put even $1,000 on that, that was $150. So we're not talking about what ifs here, but moving forward, that's kind of why condensing down. Tesla, I got one full share in Tesla now. That's been new since we restarted, or since the last videos. Excuse me, I don't know what I'm talking about. I have 1.03 shares for market value of 461 and on that I've made $27 total return. So not bad. I have one share of Moderna, which I'm just keeping just because why not? We'll just see where it goes. Facebook, I bought some Facebook today. Didn't have any Facebook in my portfolio. I bought $156 worth, which is 0.56 shares, which again, I want to buy full shares, but today I didn't. Today I bought like half of Facebook in another company, which you'll see next. And then next week or whatever time I put money in, I'll do the same thing, and then I'll have a share of each. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So I lost 50 cents there today, which if you look, Facebook's 52-week high is 304. Is at 276. So I kind of think there's some room there to kind of go up still. Last company I bought was Microsoft for $121 for 0.54 shares. At an average cost of $222 is at $224. So I'm up 0.48%. So not bad, I guess. So that's kind of what I'm into right now. I'm going to be focusing on I believe 5 stocks. I'm going to be focusing on Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Facebook, and Microsoft. Those are what I'm focusing on. I'm trying to go all in on those because my account's so small. When I get bigger, I'll diversify into things. But the way I look at it is these companies aren't going around. They're proving themselves. It's kind of it's a safe investment, yet there's room for lots of growth. That's kind of what I'm looking at. And I think that kind of growth is what I need to take this portfolio to the next level, because it's going to take a while before we start seeing good returns, just because it's such a low amount of money. 1,300 it's not that much. It's better than where we started, but we got a long ways to go. So that kind of concludes this video, and just kind of wanted to give you an update. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. If you're following along, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me out a little bit. Get this channel going. Hopefully I can help inspire some people to invest and keep track of their finances and all that good stuff with the videos to come. Leave a like too as well if you feel like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.